redefining your navigation based on your daily schedule. The future of personalization is here, and it's revolutionizing the way we experience luxury. Of course, luxury brands are pushing the boundaries of customization even further. Now, we're not just talking about choosing between leather or fabric seats. Oh no, we're venturing into a realm where every detail of your car can be as unique as your fingerprint. Imagine a vehicle with a paint job that's more than just a color. It's a shade, a hue, a texture that you've handpicked, maybe even designed yourself. That's right, bespoke paint jobs are the new black in the automotive world, making your car an extension of your personality. Next, step inside to a handcrafted interior, where exotic materials meet impeccable craftsmanship. Picture plush seats in Italian leather, dashboards in polished wood, or perhaps even floor mats woven from sustainable luxury fibers. And let's not forget about the sound. Personalized audio systems are being fine-tuned to match your ear's unique sensitivity, turning every drive into a private concert. Imagine owning a car that is truly one of a kind, a rolling testament to your individuality and refined taste. While the possibilities are endless, personalization also presents challenges. As we venture into this brave new world of bespoke luxury, we must also acknowledge the hurdles that stand in our way. Privacy concerns are a paramount concern. After all, we're talking about cars that can recognize you, learn your habits, and store your personal data. It's crucial that these technological marvels adhere to the strictest data privacy standards. Additionally, the democratization of luxury is a significant challenge. Ensuring that these personalized experiences are not just the preserve of a privileged few, but accessible and affordable for all, is a task that the industry must grapple with. However, with responsible data practices and innovative solutions, we can overcome these obstacles. The future of luxury driving is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality that's just around the corner. So, prepare yourselves, gearheads. Buckle up, the personalized automotive revolution is just getting started.